Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fade to white in DaVinci Resolve 19. So if you have your videos here guys in DaVinci and you want to fade it out to white, then this is the perfect video for you. Let me show you how. So all you have to do once you're inside here, you want to ensure that you drag your video to the timeline. That's right. And then what you want to do, you want to go up to effects on the upper left hand side. So ensure you click on effects, then go to generators. And from here, you want to look for solid color. So you want to scroll down and look for where you'll find solid color. So you will find it. So go ahead and drag the solid color towards the end of your video. And here you want to ensure that once you click on it, you go to the inspector on the upper right hand side and yeah, ensure that the solid color is selected. Then you want to go ahead and ensure that you double click it and ensure that you change the color from black to white. So you can go ahead and click on white, then click on OK. Now it's time to add the transition, right? You can also go ahead and adjust the sizing of this white color, so you don't have to have it so long, or you can make it longer if you so desire by basically clicking towards the edge, and you can expand it as long as you want. Really up to you. Let's leave it as that. Now you want to go back to the left hand side and click on video transitions. You want to look for deep to color dissolve, and you want to drag that towards the end of your video. Now you can go ahead and you can expand it, or let's say stretch it out to make it how long you want or short you want. It's really up to you. Let's leave it like that for now. Then once you click on that, you will have the options again on the transitions to change the color. Ensure that you change this to white as well. So click on it, select the same color that you choose for the solid color. So select that same color. And then yeah, let's play the video. You'll see that it really dissolves the white with the transition there in it. Let's play it. And that's it guys. So very easy and very simple. You also have the option, as well, as you can see, if you don't want to use this solid color, you can always go ahead and remove it and just simply add the dip to color resolver. So if you add that towards the end of your video, then you can make this transition make this transition a bit longer. And once you do that, you change the color to white as well. So you can change that, but make it a bit longer so that the fade will be longer. You get what I mean? So let's play it again so you can see. And it's fading to white. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. But I hope you found value here. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.